Hey everybody, stay tuned. We got another great looking pre-owned car to show you here today on YouTube and Facebook. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Four-wheel drive, of course, with some beautiful upgrades from Rodgers Wranglers. Stay with us. This beautiful 2010 Wrangler comes with a 3.8 liter motor. Also has very nice upgrades. We're talking about Falcon Wild Peak mud terrain tires. Brand spanking new tires, by the way. What a beautiful tire on there. Wrapped around a gorgeous 18-inch XD series black wheel with silver rivets. You also have the black fenders, the black paint. Front bumper is in beautiful shape. Headlights look great. No fading of it, of course. This one does come with the soft top with a slant, or some call it the notch back top. Side steps, aka rock sliders, mirrors, sporty antenna, and the mileage on this Jeep is only around 126,000 miles. Not too bad for a 2010 Wrangler Unlimited. Does have the tow package on the rear back bumper. Let's take a look a little more. The American flag over top your taillight. Another American flag here on the gas cap in black. Body's in great shape. Paint is brand spanking new, freshly sprayed from the paint shop. We like to freshen up our Jeep Wranglers here at Rodgers Wranglers. Also getting manual windows and manual door locks, less things to break 10 years down the road. Gray cloth interior seating. Up top, a very nice soft top with little cubby hole spots to throw your gear and things like that in. Let's go ahead and crank this puppy up. It is an automatic transmission. You are getting your factory CD player with auxiliary port. Four-wheel drive control here. Automatic transmission controls here. Cold AC and heater. 12-volt power outlets, getting dual of them. Again, 126,000 miles in beautiful condition. Also getting these really nice little handles here to grab a hold of to pull yourself up due to the 3-inch lift kit. Plenty of room in the back as well for rear passengers. More handles in the rear for the kids and friends. Speakers as well, so when the top's down you can hear. And this is very nice how it's got these right here to keep it a little bit quieter when going down the interstates. Let us know if you're interested in this beautiful 2010 Wrangler at Rodgers Wrangler. It definitely is trail rated. We have over 50 to 75 Jeep Wranglers in stock at Rodgers Wranglers. We really are the Jeep depot of the Carolinas. 2-doors, 4-doors, 2-door Unlimiteds. They call them JLs, TJs, YJs, CJs, JKs, and JLs. We got them here at Rodgers Wranglers. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Make sure you hit that like button here on Facebook and smash the subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. We'll see you soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch this clip with us. Make sure if you're interested in buying one of these pre-owned vehicles to get in contact with us ASAP before they go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.